Hey everybody, Aunt Cathy here, and I've got another one of those little apron shirts made up. This one is a gift for a friend, and I want to go over some of the dimensions on it with you so you can make one for yourself. You just to size it, you just measure from your about your elbow to your elbow with your arms out, because it, as you know, it's a great big square. That's all it is. And the width on this one finished is 28 inches. And the length on it is about 32 inches. And I put some appliques on the front for some texture and some color, and for a jewelry substitute. Now this one is not fully reversible from front to back like the last one that I showed you. This one has a scoop neck on it, and I'll give you a little bit more information about that in a second. It still has the same big slouchy pockets, and these are a total of about 18 inches, and they're centered over that side seam, and they're slouchy. This is an applique based on a drawing by Alabama artist Haley Brianna Atwell, and this happens to be a gift for her grandmother. And this piece is a piece of denim that I stitched around the edge of it several times, and then I fringed it out for some texture. And the buttons I just had in my button stash. These armholes are 10 inches from top to bottom, and you can make them more or less to suit your comfort level and your modesty needs. And I want to show you one other thing here before I let you go about how to make a pattern for this neckline. Over here I've got a piece of paper here, and this is I got from a site called sewguide.com. It's from a caftan pattern, and this site shows you how to make your own patterns, and there are many similar sites that you can find. YouTube is a good place to look for them, but this is just happens to be one I happen to like. Now this drawing over here shows your garment laid out on the fabric, and the fold is right here. And to make that neckline, I used this part of the drawing here, and I measured 3.5 inches out from the center to mark the side of my neckline, and I used 6 inches down for the front, and I used 1 inch down for the back, and then you cut that out in your two pieces with the back and the front. And then of course I faced this garment over here. This is a very light linen, and I faced that and did an inner facing on there for structural support, so this will hang without stretching too badly from the shoulders. There's no shoulder seam on this. It's done on the fold, so it's very easy construction. And that's my latest apron shirt, or muumuu, or smock, however you want to look at it. It's a shirt, and this one is going out here tomorrow as a gift. And that's it for now, and bye bye.